Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to a new vlog. Now today, I just decided to vlog because I'm going live on Loco app and I'm going live with Pulkit. Wait, Samay, Pulkit, and Kunal, and we are gonna play some Marvel's Avengers. Can't wait, honestly. The stream is from 8 to 9, so I'm just waiting for the time. So till that time we are just chilling here and like just talking. Also I'm like eating. My mic and my camera is off, so I'm like I just got like super hungry, so I'm like मेरे को खाना है, मैं जा रही हूँ, मैं 5 मिनट में आती हूँ और 5 मिनट हो गया already but I'm still eating because I'm like so hungry. Also banana bread खा लिया भाई साहब, बड़े मजे आ गए. Cheese and herbs, nachos for the win. Also like I really love the thing that I'm wearing. Wait, let me just. वहाँ पे कचरा है, please मत देखना. I'm wearing this net top and then this blue spaghetti, this necklace and lipstick is dark. Okay guys, time to go. I'll see you. We are done with the stream. I really need to get a good chair because my back hurts so freaking much with this chair that I have. Not happening. Anyway, so I'm just tired now and the stream went good. I am not sure about how many people, like how many Dhwani cons were there because I couldn't see the comments. So now I'll go ahead and have my dinner. It's 9 and this is gonna happen tomorrow as well because I'm streaming on my YouTube channel tomorrow. So yeah, like I'm having fun going live talking with people. So yeah, it's a good experience and I like it. So yeah. Also like makeup every day लगाना पड़ेगा अभी. मेरी stream पे I guess I'll go without makeup once or twice for sure. But if this is something like collaboration में, then I don't think I can avoid thanks to the dark circles that I have. So yeah. Also my necklace is just not visible. This is why I hate wearing round neck. Anyway, so now I'll go get changed, get back to my normal self, and see you guys tomorrow, I guess. Yeah. You guys, I am sorry I look like a mess, but I literally just spent my evening cleaning, like deep cleaning my drawers, and I got rid of everything, like most of the things, and I'm so satisfied right now. It's like a weight is lifted off my head and I am so much at peace. Let me just show you. So most of you must थोड़ा बहुत है ऊपर, अभी मैं डाल दूंगी उसको. So most of you know the first drawer is like my makeup thing. Second way, I added all my hair accessories on this side and I used a box to like separate it. And then my camera chargers, your camera lens, all the other random wires, my headphones and wires in this as well. My ring light is tiny, so it comes in this and it's looking so nice. Obviously, it's not so much organized, but I wish I showed you a before of this. It was such a mess. Oh my god. Like, I didn't have boxes and also wires and everything were like everywhere. And it was a mess. And over here, I have my diaries there, some camera accessories and everything here, my laptop here. Again, a face. My god, I have so many face mask, my wallet, and some random accessories and all that. Random shit is there. And lastly, this is like the junk drawer. I have my old camera here, which I'm planning to give away to someone. It's not 880 by the way. Just the box is 880. I have some stickers here. My mom, dad ka stamps and everything is there. Books. And my certificates and everything is here. Also like letters from you guys and everything is like literally here. I'm so happy with this organization. I hope it stays this way, especially this drawer. Oh my god. You guys have no clue how satisfied I am to look at this. Like, इतना अच्छा मेरे को कभी फील नहीं हुआ guys. Like this is like organizing and everything is in a way like, you know, calming and like, yeah, it's giving me some kind of mental peace, which I'm like so happy about. So clean your room, guys, if you haven't. Like take this clue and just clean your room. Don't be like me. मैं क्या करती हूँ मालूम, मैं एक चीज लेती हूँ उसको वापस वही जगह पे रखती नहीं हूँ. But after lockdown I have kind of improved myself and I think my parents will agree with that. I am putting things where it is supposed to be after using it. So yeah, don't be like me. So we have ordered pizza after so long. I'm so mad at Domino's. Last Sunday itself, I ordered Domino's. Like I wasted like 30 minutes just figuring out what I want, and then after 30 minutes when I finally like place an order, it's like store is offline. Please try again later. I'm like, bitch, can't you tell me this before? So I'm so mad at them. Like even like twice it happened, last Sunday and even this Sunday, like today. So we just ordered from Pizza Hut, and I'm gonna have pizza from Pizza Hut after I guess 8 years, I feel. Last I had it was when I was in BCom college. So yeah, it's been super long. But I can't wait to have their garlic bread. Like Pizza Hut ka garlic bread is way too different from Domino's and I like it. So yeah. Anyway, it was a nice Sunday and I'm like satisfied. And I can like work more efficiently now, I feel like. So yay! Swiggy वालों ने बहुत लफड़े कर लिए. 1 घंटे बाद आया मेरा order. But here we have some garlic bread. Obviously, let me just remove this completely. Oof. ये राउंड नहीं हुआ करते थे guys. ऐसे कैसे हो गए? Okay guys, I'm gonna try out this garlic bread. So let's go ahead. It's not hot, so I don't expect the cheese to like. Thanks, Swiggy. Wow. ये garlic sticks है, bread sticks. I'll try this out. It's very similar to you know what. I think this is why I didn't eat Pizza Hut stuff since years now. I think so. Not really happy. Like pizza का देख लेते हैं. ये तंदूरी पनीर कुछ है. There's this Indian flavor, like that makhni gravy kind of flavor in it. Let's try this. I think this was veggie something. It has olives, mushroom, corn, onions, bell pepper, red paprika. Yeah. This is also nice. Pizzas are nice, but garlic bread, just a big no. Hi guys, what's up? So it's Saturday today and it's also Halloween. I'm doing a Halloween special live stream today. So I'm going live with few people. If you follow me on Instagram, you already know who they are. So we just kind of decided that we'll dress up and all because it's Halloween and just make it kind of fun. So I'm gonna dress up as Wednesday from the Addams Family because I literally have the same dress. Like here it is. So I decided to dress up as that, and that's why my hair is like partitioned. I'm gonna do like 2 plaits. Literally reminds me of going back to school, but मैंने 10th तक कभी अपने बाल खुद नहीं बनाए हैं. My mom always did it for me because I didn't know how to braid my hair until I was in 10th. So yeah, that's a thing. But never mind, I am gonna get ready. So I just thought I'll like show you guys behind the scenes and all. So let's get started. Guys, I don't know how I feel about them, honestly. Like, yeah, way to go. Let me get my dad's reaction on this, okay? Let's go.
What happened? Do choti. Ha ha ha. It's a school. You have to go to school.
વાળ કાપ્યા ચોટલા પેલા જમાનામાં બે ચોટલા વાળ હતા મેં તો બહુ વાયા છે
Nice it is, yeah. Lovely, yeah. Man, that's something change for a week, you know, you keep it like this.
Not happy. To be honest, it's a nice way to like keep your hair out of the way. But और स्कूल में ना काफी बार ऐसे छोटी होती थी like yeah मेरी नहीं हुई कभी ज्यादा इतनी क्योंकि I was like among those girls who had their hair short like you know इतने बाल होते थे मेरे स्कूल में I guess from 7th or 8th I started like actually growing out my hair. Never mind, I'll go ahead and do my makeup now and finish it off. Okay guys, sorry my camera died, but do I look like her or do I need to do more? I think I did this, so it's kind of like making me look like her a little bit, but then my hair isn't staying like this way, so I don't know what to do, but I think I nailed it kind of, so yay! Also it reminds me of college so much, and she kind of has this dark circle thing, so I like applied a lot of like brown liner to make it look like I have dark circles. Jokes. Never mind. So yeah, this is the look that I'm going for. I hope people like it. Also, now I need to click a picture for Instagram and then upload it. And then also do the live stream thingy. So let's go. We have a lot of work. Okay guys, ignore my messy look. मेरे घर पे दिवाली की सफाई चल रही है and look what I found. Like I found my old school projects and books. Like I saved this specially. Oh my god, let's just see. Maths की book में I did like loans and stuff. And this is so like professionally made होता है ना वैसे types. इतना मेहनत कौन करता था भाई? भाई साहब, like look at that. Okay, that's done. Environment में तो पता नहीं मैंने क्या ही किया, दिख भी नहीं रहा है, फिर भी पास कर दिया मेरे को टीचर्स ने. Like dark paper में you can still see, but light paper में the ink is all gone. Look at that. How did she read it? I have no clue and still I'm like pass. Ew. My handwriting was pretty bad. Please don't mind that. This is like the English project. इतना मेहनत भाई साहब. लेटर लिखी हूँ मैं. किसको? सुपरिटेंडेंट पुलिस. दिल्ली में कब से रहने लगी मैं भाई साहब. हेलो. ये भी फेक भाई. Never mind. And then I found my art book. I can't wait to actually open this, so that's why I turned on my camera. It's kind of like folded from the top. But never mind. So I added all the stickers. Okay. I'm not ready for this, guys. Oh, okay. This is like painted, like a watercolor, say. So no crayons. It's ball painted. भाई ये चटनी को क्या हो गया इसके? इसके कुर्ते में से जा रहा है पानी. भाई छी, इतना गंदा छाता तो है इसी. But not bad, yeah. 7 out of 10, bro. अरे मेरे को ऐसे हो. Okay, wait, let me just name plate. Rainy day. अच्छा मैंने इधर सब लिखा हुआ है. ये भी rainy day है. और ये flower pot है. ये इतना गंदा flower pot कौन बनाता है भाई? Then we have, what is this? Tones. अच्छा different tones. छी, मेरे को 5 on 10 मिला है. टीचर ठीक है भाई. और ये ऐसे ही ड्रॉ किया हुआ है. बस. That's it. 5 drawings and I'm passed. Wow. I also found Twinkle and a lot of other different comics. I found this um, Pizza Hut का like क्या बोलते हैं pamphlet and 99 per head पे तभी 2 slices मिलते थे पिज़्ज़ा के और एक drink 99 rupees. My god. Then we have some drawing books which I still haven't used, so I think I'll save this for my kids now. Then we have Pokemon. Like it's बच्चों के लिए, so I can't even use it. I already have my books, so I'm not gonna use it. So I'll just save it. Pals. That's it, guys. Also found this game. Random games I have, like it's okay. Anyway, so this is office ka kachra, never mind. But look at this. I just arranged all my novels, and this is like my dad's and mom's Gujarati mein, but so satisfying. I'm like so satisfied. I just keep looking at it. And rest is all books. My coloring books are here. And rest नीचे थोड़े मैंने shoes and all जो मैं regularly पहनती हूँ वो सब है, and wires and stuff, so that's there. But this is the best. Also, ये box में if you're wondering, there are my bags which I don't regularly use. I hardly use bags now, so ignore it. But this is satisfying. So guys, that's it for this vlog. I really hope you guys had fun watching it. And I also like घर पे ही हम लोग ने नवरात्रि खेली थी, बट वो सैडली मेरे को फुटेज किधर मिल ही नहीं रहा है. आई लिटरली यूज जस्ट 2 मेमोरी कार्ड्स एंड दोनों में नहीं है वो, तो पता नहीं कहाँ पे गया है. बट इट इज़ जस्ट लाइक अ नाइस फैमिली गेट टुगेदर एंड वी जस्ट डिड लाइक गरबा एंड ऑल. सो या, super sad about that, but it's okay, I guess. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to work hard, be kind, and stay positive. Also, don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Don't forget to join me on my live stream, guys. It's fun, and I get to interact with you like live, so you can ask me questions and yeah, just we can chit chat and stuff. It's all cool. So don't forget to do that and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Did I say give this video a big fat thumbs up? If not, then please give it a big fat thumbs up because it's free. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video now, or my live stream. Actually, my live stream now. Bye.